Hey, what's up guys, it's Roy here. So today I'm going to be reviewing a brand that I actually haven't reviewed on this channel yet, and it's from the company Alumo, and they were kind enough to actually send out a bunch of different cases for my iPhone 16 Pro, and I decided to kind of break them down in different videos to focus on each styling. So today's going to be the frosted case here, and it comes in this kind of white frosted and this black frosted color, which I've been using this case a lot actually, especially this one. I just think it looks really sick. It's around 35 bucks on their website, and they were kind enough to provide a link that I will put down in the description and a promo code that if you want to buy these, you can get 10% off right now. So a big thank you to them. But yeah, let's go ahead and just show you the box real quick. I wanted to leave one in the packaging so you can kind of see what it looks like, and just looks really clean, right? Clear packaging here so you can see the actual phone case, and then it does say A16 frosted case for the 16 Pro here, and it does kind of talk a little bit about it. Two sides, IMD process, anti-scratch, and no fade at all. Decorated glow in dark lines, which I'll try to show you in this video. I don't know if it'll work, but we'll see. CPU cooling windows, MagSafe capabilities, all that fun stuff. So, and then here on the back, just kind of a little bit of a breakdown there. QR code to go to the website, etc., etc. So let's go ahead and get this out. So let me pop this out, and there we go. So as I put them side by side, you can see one is a more black frosted color, and this one's more of a white frosted color. So side by side, you can see that they look really sick. I mean, they're very, very thin. As you can see here, guys, like, I mean, identical looking, just different shades. And like I said, I've been really gravitating towards this one here, but I am going to slap this one on. So they'll both be on in this video so you can kind of get an idea, especially with my darker colored iPhone 16 Pro here. But let's go ahead and do the white one first. So I'm going to kind of just put that one to the side here. And as far as installation, it's pretty simple. I mean, just kind of pop it in and then boom, boom, boom. There we go. And that is the look with the white one installed. And I gotta say, like I said, it just looks good. Like I really like the way that this case looks. Just looks very futuristic looking. I don't know, it's just hard to explain, but I just really like the styling. I mean, even like the coil looking stuff here in the design just looks really cool as well. I like the black contrast with the MagSafe. Black here, white, and kind of like some teal colors. But I really like the black contrast as far as the camera bump design as well. I think it looks really good. The lenses are nicely recessed in as well, as you can see. So it looks pretty dang good there. And then looking here on the side, you can see that we do have that cutout there for the camera control button there. We have a black power button, which is nice, but then we just kind of have these little accents on the sides here. You can kind of see that right there as well, like the reinforced corners, and same thing here, reinforced corner. Nice little cutout here for the USB-C charging port and our speakers and the microphones, so it looks pretty good there. And then if we look on this side, you can see that we do have the black volume up and down buttons and the action button there as well, which looks really nice. I really like the black contrasting with the white here. And that's just kind of the design there, looking top down. So if we look at the sides here, you can see that we do have some lips that are going to be going around the front of the screen. It is tempered glass friendly as well. I have a full tempered glass screen protector installed, and it's working just fine. So no interference at all with it. So now let's go ahead and get this one off, and let's slap on the darker colored one. And I'll show you too that the uninstall process is actually pretty dang simple if you just couldn't tell. And let's go ahead and put this one on. All right, so pop, pop, pop on. And that's the look there. So much darker, looks good as well. Honestly, I think it looks super sick as well. I mean, I think it's a really tough choice picking which color you like better, right? Like I really like this one too, and I'm a fan of dark cases, so you know, I might try this one for a little bit just to see. But once again, you can kind of just see the very similar design as this one. Obviously, you got the black and the white camera bump, all that. So with this one installed, Now I want to go ahead and do the different tests that I like to do on my channel. So number one, let's do the wobble test. So if I put it face down, there is no shaking going on at all. And if I put it back down, you know, there's some shaking going on. You can see in the reflection there, but it's not a lot. Now if I hit that corner, just like any 16 Pro case, it seems like it's gonna just be a shaky mess. So I mean, it is what it is. And then now let's go and do the power button test and so now let's go ahead and do the clicky button test. So let's start with that power button. Very clicky. Okay, volume up and down. Very, very clicky as well. Action button. Same thing, guys. Very, very tactile, very clicky. So passes with flying colors. Now let's go ahead and test the MagSafe capabilities. So I've got my MagSafe charger here. We'll slap it on. As you can see, MagSafe charging, so we're good there. And the strength of this magnet is actually pretty impressive. It's very strong, finds it without any issue, and I can swing it around. So if you're going to use a MagSafe charger in your vehicle or on your desk, this is going to stick on extremely well. So MagSafe charging is a plus. And then since it does have the camera control, let's go ahead and let's just kind of start it up. And let's just kind of see, I mean, with it not having like really any interference, obviously it seems like it's working very well. So yeah, it works pretty good too. It's a massive cutout there. So that's kind of, and it even folds down to the back a little bit there. So, you know, it is definitely going to be able to allow you to use that camera control button pretty easily. So I wanted to try to show you the glow in the dark capabilities, but honestly, it's really hard to somehow do that with my camera. And when I went pitch black, it was just really hard to show. But what I did do is go ahead and snapped a picture of the case right here. And it actually glows in the dark really well, and you can really see it in person, but the video is just not going to do it justice today, guys, unfortunately. So I did want to at least post up that picture so you can see that these lines that are white actually do glow in the dark and actually look pretty sick. So it's kind of cool, a neat little added bonus. But for the case, guys, I mean, it feels good in the hand. It's not slippery. I mean, the back might be a little smooth, but it's matted finish. So, you know, there isn't any issue with fingerprints, really no issues with smudging. I just really think that the case feels good. It's thin, it's lightweight. I think it looks good. And once again, I think it feels very good in the hand. So my final assessment is, if you are looking for a very cool looking case, then go and scoop this up, guys. I think this is a win. I think it's a unique case. I think it looks sick. And yeah, I think it's worth your money. So hit that like button if you like this video. If you loved it, please subscribe. Ring that notification bell for up-to-date content. So be safe. God bless. I'll see you on the next one.